Welcome to the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we're going to do a full tour of the 2024 Gulfstream Coach BT Cruiser model 5210. The coach has a length of 22 feet 6 inches and a height of 10 feet 6 inches. The GVWR is 14,500. It's on a Ford chassis with a 7.3 liter V8 engine and a 55-gallon fuel tank. The hitch capacity is 7,500 pounds. The fresh water tank will hold 41 gallons, gray 26, and the capacity of the black tank is 26 gallons. The unit has a 25,000 BTU forced air furnace and one 13,500 BTU roof air conditioner. There's also a duct system to keep you cool. There's also a tankless water heater and a 42-pound propane tank. Standard on these units is a 200-watt roof-mounted solar power system. This unit comes with a full dry bath, an 8-foot 12-volt refrigerator, and a 2-burner range. There's some options in this model that include two 74-inch jackknife sofas or one sofa with a dinette. Some units have ovens and others don't. So we're going to start with the outside, but then we're going to go inside and see which one we've got.
All right, let's check out the outside of this RV. Got some storage underneath here. Not a big fan of these latches. We have an outlet here. Got your hot water heater here. And here we have the propane, and there's a quick connect right next to that. There is a ladder on the back here and a spare tire. Hitch for towing. On this side, there's this storage. Actually, it's where your tanks are. And it looks like it's locked. There's your black tank dump over here. Outdoor shower. City water connection. Black tank flush. Power hookup. Potable water only. Down here we have more storage. It's locked. And this one opens. This is where the generator is. Here we have an Onan QG 4000 generator. All right, coming in the door here. To the left, you have some storage. Closet with a couple drawers underneath. There's your fire extinguisher right by the door. On the other side, you'll have your control center. Your solar charge controller, temperature control right there. Open up the bathroom. You do have a shower, toilet, small sink, a little bit of storage underneath and above with an outlet. Got a fan and a skylight. Next to the bathroom, as you come in the door, you also have the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. We have a microwave up above, small one, some storage as well for dishes. Two-burner stove. There is no oven. Some storage underneath. Pots and pans. Underneath the sink itself, there's storage. Sink. Nice, deep sink. That is a telescoping faucet. Window behind it. And then we move into the living room. On either side you have these couches. These fold out into a bed. We have this table here too, which has legs that go right here in the middle of the floor between the couches. Very nice. And you also have storage up above. Spans the whole cabinet. It's open the whole way through. Same thing on the other side. Nice blinds. These blinds are like the ones we have in our RV. Then you have a TV right up above the cab with some storage as well on either side. The TV does swivel. Then here is the cab. And that's it for this tour. Well, thanks for watching this RV tour. This is the last RV tour video that we have for this RV show. For the last few years now that we've been doing this YouTube channel, we've been going to these RV shows just to share some of the new floor plans and give you kind of a first look at what's new for that year. We try to mix it up, share 4 to 7 RVs, different, manufacturers, different types, whether it's a fifth wheel or travel trailer or drivable. And we like sharing these kind of things with you guys because we figure it'll help you guys in making decisions down the road when you want to get into RVing or you want to move on to your next RV. When we do this, we're just trying to show you the floor plan. There's going to be things that we miss when we do these tours. And we just want you to understand that we're not experts. We're just trying to give you more options and more points of view. I know there's other YouTubers out there doing this kind of thing, and it's just a good idea to get a broader perspective of what you're looking for, because it is a big decision when you're getting into the RVing industry and buying your first RV or your second or third. As we continue down the road as RVers, after we've had our first RV, we start to understand more what we want when we get an RV. So when we get our second RV, it's going to have more of the things that you know that you need and less of the things you thought you need before but you didn't really need. So we like to do this with you guys, share with you what we can, and we appreciate you for showing up and watching our videos. And if you don't mind, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with our future content. If you've been following us for years, you've seen that we like to do campground tours. That's the first thing we started with this channel. As we started as RVers, we'd research campgrounds we want to go check out and stay at, but the problem was a lot of the videos we'd see didn't really show the campground and all of its amenities. So we figured we'd start this channel to provide that for other people. So since we've done that, you've seen us expand into the RV tours. We also like to do destination tours where we once we get to a destination and show you the campground, we like to show you a few things once we're in that area, to give you some options for things to do when you're visiting those areas. With that being said, we're going to continue our road trip into the deserts of the Southwest. Over the next probably 4 to 6 months, we have a lot of footage to share with you. We hit Nevada yet. We're going to be in New Mexico for a little bit. We're going to share the International Balloon Fiesta with you guys. And we're also going to be in Arizona. We spent about a month in Arizona, so we have a lot there to share with you guys as well. Then after that, we have some more content to share with you guys of another road trip that we're actually on right now. And for a little sneak peek, we're staying at a brand new KOA campground here in Panama City Beach in Florida. It's only been open for 3 weeks. This will be one of our future tours to share with you guys during that road trip. So we hope you guys stick around, hit that subscribe button so you can follow us when we have new content come out, and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it, and we appreciate you. We love you guys. Safe travels. Take care.